In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do logo intro for your edits on CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean, eye-catching intro that sets the tone for your videos and keeps your branding consistent. Start by opening CapCut on the web or in the mobile app, whichever you prefer. The interface is similar across both, so everything we do here will translate. Once you're in, create a new project and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. This vertical format is ideal for short-form platforms and stories. You can always adjust things later, but picking the right canvas now makes layout and animation much easier. Next, add your logo to the project. Import it into your media and drop it onto the timeline. A high-resolution image, ideally with a transparent background, will keep edges crisp and professional. After placing it, check that it sits cleanly on the canvas without any unwanted borders or artifacts. Now, make it full screen. Select the logo on the preview and scale it up using the corner handles so it fills the frame without distorting. Keep an eye on the alignment guides to center it perfectly. If your design looks better slightly smaller, that's fine too. The goal is a bold presence that reads immediately on a phone screen. Avoid stretching or squashing. Maintain the original proportions for a polished look. Let's bring it to life with animation. Open the animation controls and add a simple, confident entrance like a fade-in, pop, or slide. Keep the duration smooth. Something around half a second to a second and a half usually feels professional. Consider adding a matching exit animation to bookend the intro cleanly. Consistency in speed and easing is key. It should feel intentional, not jittery. Enhance the moment with effects. Subtle motion blur, a soft glow, or a shadow can add depth and make your logo stand out without overwhelming the design. Apply effects sparingly and preview often. If the effect competes with your brand colors or reduces readability, dial it back. The best effects support the logo rather than steal attention from it. Finally, take your time refining. Scrub through the timeline and adjust timing until the movement feels natural. Short and sweet is usually best, aiming for a total intro length around 2 to 3 seconds. Watch it a few times to ensure it's smooth, centered, and consistent with your style. When it feels cohesive, you're done. That's your logo intro in CapCut, clean, dynamic, and ready to enhance your edits.